Hello guys, as a lead engineer, I take about 2 to 3 interviews every week. I see resumes from everyone, from IITs to local colleges, BTech, MTech, freshers, and even experienced professionals as well. Just like you. And I'll tell you one honest truth, marks might get you the interview, but only skills get you to the job. Companies often rejects 9.0 GPA because they could not able to write the code. They only knew the theory. On the other hand, even with the 6.0 GPA, students often get selected simply because they had open source contributions. That is why Google Summer of Code is very important. It proves to the hiring manager that you are a builder, not just a student. But if you are thinking, okay, bro, I will apply on March 2026, then stop. If you wait until March 2026, you have already failed. Let me tell you the reality. Hello everyone, I am RK. If you really like this video, smash that like button. That gives more motivation to me and more energy to create next video. In this video, I am going to decode 4 critical categories eligibility who can actually apply. Is it only for students? The money, how much is the stipend? What are different types? The secret timeline, very important. Why starting in the November 2025 is important than March 2026. Last, a live demo. I'll share my screen and I'll show you how you can find the projects from the past years. So let's dive into the first point. First, let's understand exactly what is this program. Many students think GSOC is a hackathon or kind of capstone project which we done in the Kaggle recently, but it is not. Look at these numbers. Since 2005, this program has connected 19,000 contributors from 112 countries. We are talking about 43 million lines of code. You are not building a college project here. You will be working on a software that runs the world like Linux, Python, and TensorFlow. Now ask yourself, why is Google and these organizations doing this? It's very simple. First, to find the best talent. Organizations like Python or VLC don't just want code, they want new maintainers, new coders. They are looking for the next generation of developers to keep their software alive. Second, to bridge the gap. For you, this is the only program that bridges the gap between college theory and industry reality. And the best part, look at the last number, 18,000 senior mentors. These are lead engineers at top companies who will personally review our code for 12 weeks. You're stepping into the global arena software area. Now, the big question, are you eligible? I got couple of questions personally, even in YouTube as well. I am from civil branch. Can I apply? I am studying engineering second year. Can I apply? I am going to answer all of your questions here. Look at this second box. Status. It says students are beginners. This is a game changer. If you are in college, first year to final year, you are eligible. If you are in college and you are 18 plus years of age, even you are in first year or second year, final year, whatever the year, you are eligible. There is no gender specific. It applicable to boys and girls. Crucial update. Even if you completed your graduation and are looking for a job, or if you are self-taught, as long as you are new to open source, you are also eligible. And about your branch, civil, mechanical, CSC, it does not matter. Google only cares about your code, not your college ID. This is from the official Google Summer of Code official page for the 2025, not the 2026. The eligibility criteria you can notice at 18 years. I am a professional software engineer, but I have not participated in open source communities before. Am I eligible? It is clearly intended that for experienced software engineers professionals, if you have a full-time job as a software engineer, you won't have time for GSOC. Now, let's talk about motivation. There are two reasons, the money and the brand. For Indian students, there are three levels of payment. Level 1, small project, perfect for beginners, 90 hours. You get around $750, approximately 63,000. Level 2, medium project, it is a standard one. You get around $1,500, approximately 1.25 lakh. And last, level 3, large project, for the pros, you get $3,000, approximately 2.5 lakhs. Again, I am not sharing this information randomly. This is a proof. You can see that I am going to share this information, all these links with you. You can verify it. Imagine earning 2.5 lakhs while sitting in your hostel room or from home. That is huge. But honestly, the money is temporary. The GSOC 2026 tag on your LinkedIn profile or on your resume is permanent. The tag makes your resume reject proof, like a bulletproof for big tech companies. Okay, you want brand and money. Then, but here is where 90% of students fail. The date. Guys, quick disclaimer, Google has not released the 2026 calendar yet. These dates are my technical predictions based on the 2025 cycle. They might shift by a day or few days, but the strategy remains the same. Let me share you where I gathered all this information from 2025. Basically, I referred this page to understand the 2025 timelines. Based on that, I created the new slide for the 2026. Google says applications open in late March. That is the official date, but the Venus date is right now in December. Look at this roadmap. Phase 1, November to January. This is the stacking phase. You don't apply, you just pick an organization and learn their code. Late January, organizations apply to Google. Late February, Google announces the list. Late March, student applications open. And early May, results out. Around June first week, coding begins. Mid of the November, everything will be ended. Think about it. If you wait for the list in the late February, you only have 3 weeks before applications open. That is not enough time. You need to be in their chat rooms fixing the bugs today. By the time the list comes out, the mentor should already know your name. Enough theory. Let me show you practically how you can find the projects for the previous years and what are the companies were there and how you can see the old code and how you can see the projects of the previous years. You can directly jump to this portal. I will share this, don't worry. Then click on this menu, past programs. Here you can see the big list 2016 to 2025. Let's click on this 2025 program which was already done recently. You can find all these organizations. So here you have two options. One is whatever you are seeing, that is organizations. Here you have multiple filters are there. If you want to filter it based on this, you can filter it. And other option is you can see the projects directly by clicking on this view projects. This is how you can see all the projects under the 2025, what really happened in 2025. If you click on view code, you can see the code what actually the person submitted here, how many commits, what are the files they changed. You can verify everything, how they have done, what was the conversation, what kind of code review comments the person got during his project time. So you can find n number of projects, all the projects. I am not asking you to go through each and every project. Just at least spend some time, try to understand how to review this code and how to see this code. You will have more clarity before actually it started in the February, right? So you just prepare yourself. Next, suppose if you click on view organizations, these are the organizations participated in 2025. Assume that you know already on organization name, then click on this. Here you can notice that right side, right, mailing and list forum. Click there. I am showing one of the organization because I already verified it for our demo, but you just verify for other organizations also. You'll be seeing this kind of notifications under their repo. Here, just click on here. See how they started. This was on January 14th. Similarly, even in the 2026 January also it will be started. So that is where I'm trying to say, don't wait till the announcement. Just come here and see what are the things are available here. Try to interact with mentors. So that is a secret I want to share with you. So I hope I covered the important things. So until the next video, I want you to go through all these projects and try to explore the things what are available for the 2025 2024. Spend your time. Please don't waste your time by seeing just reels. Now hold on. You might think, okay, let me pick one organization and start coding. Stop. Don't make that mistake. What? If you spend 2 months of your time working for one company and they don't even participate in 2026, your hard work goes to zero. So then what is the solution? Do I need to wait until the organization list published? No. There is a specific strategy and a hack to identify which organizations are safe and which are risky. I don't want to make this video too long, so I am going to explain safe organization selection strategy and the complete AI roadmap in my next video. So if you are serious about your career, subscribe right now so that you don't miss the roadmap. Comment below if you are interested to be participate in this GSOC 2026 if you are starting your journey today. See you in the next one. Thank you all.